Gold-plated accessories, also called fashion jewelry, look just as stunning as solid gold at a fraction of the cost. However, they can tarnish and fade quickly when not cared for and cleaned the right way. As you can see, these gold-plated pieces look dirty and tarnished. Fortunately, all you need are simple household items to deep clean your favorite accents. First, cover a heat-resistant bowl with a tin foil. Add 1 tablespoon of baking soda and 1 tablespoon of salt to the bowl. Pour 1 cup of hot but not boiling water to create your cleaning solution. Stir thoroughly. Next, fully immerse your gold-plated accessories in the hot cleaning solution for 10 minutes. Make sure your accessories don't have fragile gemstones like pearl, onyx, or amethyst. Now scrub your gold-plated jewelry carefully using a soft bristled brush to remove tarnish, dirt, and oil buildup in nooks and crannies. You can also use a cotton swab to gently remove grime from the inside of a ring, earring, or bracelet. Finally, wash your gold-plated jewelry with clean water and pat it dry with a lint-free cloth. You can also use a jewelry cloth to buff and polish the surface for a more beautiful shine. If your gold-plated accessories have gemstones, you can soak metal parts like chains and clean the gemstones with cotton swabs dipped in a mixture of mild dish soap and water. Now that you know how to restore gold-plated jewelry, you can make your accessories sparkly clean whenever they get dull.